Now's the time to be naturalising bulbs, and they're great because wild gardening has become very much in vogue over the last couple of years, and there's all sorts of plants that we can use for a natural effect and can also help the environment. Say for example the English bluebell, which has been threatened by hybridisation with the Spanish bluebell, being dug up illegally from woodlands and loss of habitat. These are English grown cultivated bluebells, so they're not going to pose a threat to the environment, and they'll help to bolster our native population. Blue flowers, fragrance, they'll spread naturally, give them possibly a slightly semi-shaded spot for best effect, and they'll provide you with excellent colour. Now, a favourite of mine is the cyclamen. Cyclamen will grow in dry shade where very little else will. They'll flower in the autumn, they'll have very attractive summer foliage, and what they will do is seed quite liberally. Fantastic plant, good choice.